Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to take your voice recording from OK to WAV using Audacity. Whenever you are making podcast, YouTube video or an online classes, so these steps will make you sound like a professional. So these golden rules. What is the golden rule? First, editing is like washing your car. It makes your good car shine, but it won't fix a broken engine. So record in a quiet room. First, we have to record in a quiet room. So what is the first step? First, after recording, take the file and then noise reduction. The silent hero. We want your voice. We don't want your refrigerator sound. Okay. First, find a spot in your recording where you are not talking for a few seconds. So that's where the background hiss lives. Highlight that silent part and go to Effect, Noise Reduction, get Noise Profile. This tells Audacity that this is the sound I hate. Okay, next, select everything by pressing Ctrl A, go back to Noise Reduction and use these settings. What are the settings? First, in the reduction, select 6 to 8 dB. Don't go too high or you will get your sound like a robot. Okay. Now sensitivity should be around 6. Smoothing, I'm keeping here 3. Okay. Click OK and goodbye background hiss. Next, step 2. High pass filter. So this is a deep cleaner. If you clean the floor, the whole room looks very nice and very good. Better. The same here also. So these steps removes low rumbling sounds like a ceiling fan or vibration from your desk. Something like that. Okay. Now go to Effect, select High Pass Filter. Where it is residing? It's residing somewhere in the EQ. So you just need to find out in your Audacity. Next, select it. Select here 80 Hz and 12 dB. This removes the sound that only your dog can hear, making your actual voice much cleaner. Step 3. Equalization. The voice polisher. EQ is like salt. It brings out the flavor. We aren't changing your voice. We are just making it pop. Go to Effect, Filter Curve EQ. There are different two types of EQ. Okay, you can also go for graphic EQ also. Anything is fine. And then the mud fix. The mud voice should fix. Slightly lower the line at 150 Hz. Very, very slightly. Okay. So the clarity boost. Slightly raise the line between 3000 to 5000 Hz. If you boost it too much, you will sound like you are talking through a tin, boxy. Okay. The curves small. So that curves should be small. Next, step 4. Compression. The volume balancer. No more shouting, no more whispering. Sometimes we speak very loud, sometimes we speak soft. Compression make it all balance, even. So your listener don't have to keep touching their volume button. Okay. Go to Effect, Compressor and select the threshold -18. Some people will select 23, but anything is fine. I am setting here -18 dB and then go for ratio 3 to 1. Why do this? This makes your voice feel solid and professional like a radio host. Step 5. Limiter and normalization. This is the safety net, the bodyguard for your speakers. We need to make sure your voice is loud enough but never breaks the speakers. Okay, limiter. Go to Effect, Limiter, set limit to -1 dB. This acts like a ceiling. Nothing goes above it. Then normalize. Go to Effect, Normalize. Set to -1 dB. The result is your voice, your audio is now at the perfect volume for every phone and laptop in the world. Final one is, before you save, put on your headphones and listen. Don't override it. If you start sounding like a cartoon character, you have gone too far. Practice makes perfect. The first time it takes 10 minutes, the 10th time it takes just 2 minutes. Now what? Next, ready to save. Go to File, Export and save it as an MP3 or WAV, whatever the format that you like. Okay, we will go through once again the quick checklist. What is the first? First is before recording, your room checking. Is the fan is on or AC is on, off, something like that. And distance from your microphone, away from the microphone, not too close. If it is too close, if it will get a proximity effect, it will not. You cannot. If it is distortion, you cannot edit it properly. Okay. Next, my voice hitting between -6 and -3 dB max. It should not be peaking or distorting. You should not be in the red zone, but you can be in the green and yellow zone. The fifth one rule is, did I leave 5 seconds of silence at the start so that I can use it for fixing his sound or noises after recording? The first one is noise recording. You should be like 8 dB or 6 or 3 for removing the background hiss and hum kind of noises. And next, high pass filter, 80 Hz, 12 dB. Remove muffly voice or low rumbling voices. Next, filter Caro EQ boost, 3 to 5 kHz, makes your voice sound crisp, clear. Next, compressor, 18 dB, 3:1 ratio, even out loud and soft talking. Limiter, limit to -1 dB, prevent audio from breaking clips. Next one, normalize, set it to -1 dB, makes the final volume and loud and professional voice. Okay, so this is the steps that I have gone through for my voice. It is working very nice. You can also try it first time, second time, third time. Any doubts, any related, you can comment in the down of this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share and like it. Thank you.